Okay, so today we're starting lesson 5.12, and this is all about slope-intercept form and standard form together. So we've looked at how do we go from standard form and solve it to get slope-intercept form, and today we're going to look at if we have it already in slope-intercept form, what can we do to change it so that it is in standard form. Okay, so we're going to start off just by looking at a slope-intercept form equation and how we can change it so that it's in standard form. So the first thing you want to do is you want to multiply by any denominators that are in the equation so that you're not dealing with any fractions. So if I look at this equation here, I see that I have this fraction here, and the denominator of this fraction is 3. So in order to get rid of that, I'd multiply both sides by 3. So on the right side, everything has to be multiplied by 3. So 1/3 times 3 is just 1. So we're left with x minus 6 on the right. We're left with 3y on the left. Okay. The second thing you want to do is you want to move the x term to join the y term on the left side. So I did not say add or subtract, just move it, because in some problems you will have to add and some problems you will have to subtract. So in this problem we have a positive x, so we're actually going to have to subtract x to both sides. And we have minus x, this is a positive 3y, so I put plus 3y equals negative 6. Okay, we're almost done except for one thing. You want to make sure that the x coefficient is positive. Remember that the coefficient is the number in front of the variable. So here, if there's no number there, it's 1, but this is a negative 1. We always want to start with a positive x, a positive in front of the x. So if I need to get rid of this negative 1, I can multiply both sides by negative 1. And this essentially changes all of the signs. So I get x minus 3y equals positive 6. And so this is the same equation as this one up here, except this one is written in standard form instead of slope-intercept form.